Welcome to another day of English pronunciation course. No, start again. By the way, I'm recording. Start again. Welcome to another day of English pronunciation video course. We are going to now talk about the letter T between two vowels. So vowel, letter T, and vowel. And in this case, the T makes a light D sound. It's not a true T that we actually pop like we do at the beginning of a word. For instance, we do not say later, notice, theater, visitor, water. Instead, we change it into a light D sound, and with our tongue to the roof of our mouth between where our teeth and our gums meet. For example, we would say later, notice, theater, visitor, water. Much smoother sound. Okay, so I want you to repeat after me. Remember not to pop the T, make it a hard sound, but a nice soft T, light D sound, okay? Later. You repeat. Later. Notice. Notice. Theater. Theater. Visitor. Visitor. Water. Water. There are some exceptions to this rule. When the vowel sound, the second syllable is stressed, and then we do say a strong popped T. For example, motel. You can hear that T, can't you? Motel or hotel. These are the exceptions. Okay, let's move on, and we will practice these words in some sentences. Once again, I will say the sentence first. Please listen to how I say it. Then afterwards, I want you to repeat and imitate how I sound. Number one, I will meet you at the... Scratch, let's start again. Number one, I will meet you at the coffee shop later. You try. I will meet you at the coffee shop later. Number two, please take a moment to read the notice on the board. Number two, please take a moment to read the notice on the board. Three, the new play at the theater received rave reviews. The new play at the theater received rave reviews. Four, the visitor from another country was amazed by the local culture. Number four, the visitor from another country was amazed by the local culture. Five, they sought refuge in the cool, watery, cool water of the pool. Okay, let's start that one again. Start again. They sought refuge in the cool water of the swimming pool. Again, they sought refuge in the cool water of the swimming pool. Well, that's our lesson for today. Hopefully you feel your pronunciation improving more and more. Just a reminder to practice 10 to 15 minutes each day until the sounds become permanent and you can speak the American accent with ease. Also, be sure to look up any unknown words so that you can build up your vocabulary. Have a fantastic day.